In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo email automation. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. To begin with, Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing platform that helps you effectively nurture customer relationships through automated email sequences. This can save you countless hours and drive significant revenue if done correctly. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to create a Klaviyo account. Head over to their website and sign up. Once your account is set up, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that gives you an overview of your email campaigns, lists, and analytics. This is your control center, so take some time to familiarize yourself with it. Next, let's focus on creating your first automated flow. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see an option for flows. Click on it and then look for the Create Flow button. Klaviyo offers a variety of pre-built templates, which can be a great starting point. For example, you might find a template for welcome series, cart abandonment, or win-back campaigns. Choose one that fits your needs, and we'll customize it together. Once you've selected a template, click on it to open the flow editor. This is where you'll see all the different steps involved in the automation process. Each step can be a trigger, action, or a conditional split. To begin, let's focus on a simple workflow, a welcome email series. The first step in your flow will typically be a trigger. This is what prompts your automation to start. For a welcome series, you would select List Triggered Flow and choose the list that includes new subscribers. This means every time someone subscribes, they will enter this flow. Now, immediately after the trigger, you'll want to add an email action. Click Add a Step and choose Email. You can then design your welcome email. Klaviyo has a built-in email editor where you can drag and drop elements like images, text, and buttons. Make sure to personalize it. Use the recipient's first name for that personal touch. After you've created the welcome email, think about the timing. How long do you want to wait before sending the next email in the series? You can add a time delay step right after your welcome email. For instance, setting a delay of 1 day allows you to send a follow-up email after a day has passed. Next, you can add more emails to this series, maintaining that thoughtful spacing. Perhaps your second email could share helpful resources or special offers, and maybe a third email invites them to follow your brand on social media or to check out your blog. Each email should feel cohesive and guide the subscriber further along their journey with your brand. Now, let's make sure everything is working perfectly. After setting up all your emails and steps, you need to test the flow. Klaviyo has a testing feature where you can use your email to ensure each part of the flow works as intended. Send a test email and check for any adjustments you need to make. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, simply toggle the flow to Live. Congratulations! You've just set up your first email automation in Klaviyo. Remember, automation is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Keep an eye on the analytics to see how your flow is performing and make adjustments as needed. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more content like this.